Today you'll take the quiz for section 16.3 in Social Studies. Make sure you put your name, date, and class period at the top of the page. Here's the word bank for the first section, which is fill in the blanks. Populace, slavery, Republican, secession, and 3. Number 1, the issue of blank created a break in the Democratic Party during the 1860 presidential election. Number 2, Lincoln and blank other candidates ran for president in 1860. Number 3, even though his name was not on the ballot in most southern states, Lincoln was elected U.S. president because the North was more blank. Number 4, white Southerners feared that the 1860 victories by Lincoln's blank party would result in slave revolts. And number 5, after the election of Abraham Lincoln to the presidency, the southern states debated the question of blank, or withdrawing from the Union. The next section is multiple choice. Number 6 asks, which was the first state to vote to secede from the Union? Was that A, Georgia, B, Maryland, C, Missouri, or D, South Carolina? Number 7, who was the first president of the Confederate States of America? Was that A, Abraham Lincoln, B, Jefferson Davis, C, Robert E. Lee, or D, Stephen Douglas? Number 8, which of these concepts did secessionists use to support their views? A, constitutionalism, B, federalism, C, popular sovereignty, or D, states' rights? Number 9, which of these was the third state to secede from the Union? A, Connecticut, B, Florida, C, New York, or D, Ohio? Number 10, which event marked the beginning of the Civil War? Was it A, the attack on Fort Sumter, B, the Lincoln-Douglas debates, C, Lincoln's inauguration, or D, the secession of South Carolina?